Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can print pictures on Pinterest. It is super simple actually. You are going to just select the picture that you want to print, and you're going to right click, and you're going to select save image as, and you're going to save it. Then I'm going to just simply open the file, and I'm just going to select this button right here. And then I'm just going to simply print it. You can select the orientation. So this one's a little bit more portrait. You can select the size of the paper. You can select the size of the picture as well. You can also fill page, shrink to fill, normal, uniform, etc., etc. And once you're done, you're going to select the device here and you're going to select print. I don't have any device here right now, but that is it. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions regarding this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. Don't forget to click the thanks button above the description box down below if this video was helpful to just say thanks. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!